What is the gift that you say I'm getting? Say thanks. What is there to say thank you for? Sharabu, thank you for the rose. Thank you so much. Loser, thank you for the rose. You know, combing here. My hair is combed. What are you saying? It's combed to me. It looks combed. Looks nice. Mm. Mm. Mm.